Hello everybody, how to compare PDF online without investment, 100% absolutely free. No investment, no sign up processing. Okay, let's go. First time, open your Chrome browser and search toolsmpro.com. Enter, open top visual this side, best all type tools, Master Pro G, online problem solving. Click now this option and open this tool, toolsmpro.com. Smart and easy calculator tools, PDF tools, image tools, keyword tools, social media tools, text to count tools, text to analytics tools, etc. Okay, this video top PDF tools. Click now this option and top section PDF 18 plus multiple tools for free. Click now this option. Okay, all in one top PDF tools, edit, convert and merge effectively. Okay, this icon search option and search any PDF tools absolutely free, 100% multiple PDF tools. Okay, this video review compare PDFs. Click now this option, open this side top session, click here to get all PDF tools for free and click here to get all PDF tools for free. Okay, and scroll compare PDF option, one drag and drop first PDF higher and drag and drop second PDF higher. Okay, Dropbox and Google Drive option. Okay, select option, select any PDF. Example, select one PDF, open this option visual first PDF and second PDF higher. Click now this option, second PDF, open first PDF and second PDF, compare PDF. Okay, 100% download result and save on Google Drive, save to Dropbox, copy link and delete file. Okay, this option, click now download results. This video education purpose, this video helpful, please like, subscribe and follow next video tomorrow. Okay.